more nutrients. The patient is many a times in a catabolic state where the body is utilizing more nutrients. There could be increased in the caloric content, the protein requirements are higher because body nutrition. So we have to depend on a lot of supplements. It could be disease specific, it could be a general case where they are just, we want something for convalescence, or we may require something which is...
The 60 grams carbohydrates that are termed as carbohydrates is maltodextrin, a dextrin. So loading up 80 grams of sugar in the name of some little bit of protein that is added to it, I don't know how it is going to strengthen a patient. So I'm sorry, but I'm a bit pessimistic about this whole scene right now. Till nutrition understands that the Indian diet is a hyper-loading of carbohydrates, things are not going to change, no matter how powerful the nutraceuticals are. Thank you.
You want to give a comment before? So we know that Indian diets are high in carbohydrates. There are enough studies to prove that. But I think going to another tangent where we are looking at no carbs in diet is also a big issue. Wherein there are a lot of diets like, you know, ketogenic or South Beach kind of diets which actually recommend patient actually achieving ketosis, wherein you are actually measuring...
Madam, I am a big proponent of the ketogenic diet.
I understand, I'm coming to that, I'm coming to that. Yeah, so but there are also a lot of meta-analysis which are available, and one of them is being published about 3 years back in New England Journal of Medicine, where they showed actually there is no difference in any kind of parameters 2 years post following ketogenic diet versus a normal complete balanced diet. I would like to ask, what are your views on this? Is a meta-analysis which is published.
Instead of looking at meta-analysis, why don't we look at statistics right now? Since so many strides have been made with regards to combating diabetes, have we actually been able to combat diabetes? We were at 20 percentile around 15 years back. We are at 33 percentile, and that also we're talking about diagnosed cases of diabetes. In the midst of the fitness revolution, so to speak, in the midst of the Mumbai marathons and in the midst of 6 a.m. in the morning being a completely different scene in urban India than it used to be 15 years back. Quite frankly, 15 years back, if somebody bought a cycle, it was because he could not afford a scooter. Today, millionaires are buying cycles, and they want to basically give the example to their employees by reaching their offices on a cycle. Okay, CEOs are doing that. And 6 in the morning, yeah, I'm a fitness professional, and I'm telling you that exercise can do nothing. The diabetes movement is on the wrong direction. They are trying to tell people that leading an active lifestyle will prevent them from diabetes, and the activity has gone through the roof. In 15 years, there is an absolute complete paradigm shift in the need for fitness, which is why I'm making money, first of all, which is why I have a career. But the point is that despite that kind of paradigm shift towards an active lifestyle and towards exercises and towards the fitness industry earning billions, the problem is that from 20 percentile, we have gone up to 33 percentile. And actually I would call it 50 percentile because there are these terms like pre-diabetic. What do you mean by pre-diabetic? The glucose tolerance is short. The person is not being able to metabolize carbohydrates. Today's recommendations of 40 grams of carbohydrates per meal just does not make sense, and it comes from the Diabetic Association. The reason why it does not make sense is because if you were to take 100 mg per deciliter, which is a basic standard, so normal blood sugar level fasting, that correlates in a male adult with 5 liters of blood to exactly 5 grams of sugar, which is a teaspoon of sugar. Quite frankly, the human body can do with 3 grams. Now when your recommendations itself are 40 grams of glucose getting into your bloodstream through carbohydrates to be cleaned up, your pancreas was never meant for that workload. There is no wonder that the diabetes is rising. It is rising and it is bound to rise, and I can assure you, if the recommendations do not change and if people do not understand the basic benefits of nutritional ketosis, or if they don't even make low glycemic, high glycemic. By the way, ma'am, a shocking truth, I downloaded about 60 glycemic index charts while writing my manual, while doing the research for my manual. Amazing. No two charts are correlating. There is no consensus between any two charts. I have downloaded 60. And,
because glycemic index
and
also depends upon at what point are you calculating it. So how much are you cooking? What is the ripening?
No. Same portion sizes, same.
Not portion size. It's not about portion size.
It is talking about the same. I understand glycemic index, ma'am. It is the rate at which the body converts, breaks down transit time through the tongue and hits the bloodstream as sugar.
Riper the fruit, more is the glycemic.
Ma'am, some consensus has to be there. Can you believe that more than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 sheets, not one single sheet corresponding to the other in terms of glycemic index? And are you trying to tell me that those variations are because of the ripeness of the fruit?
And method of cooking.
Yeah. And one more problem.
And people who are on whom it is conducted.
One more problem is the entire prevalence of wheat. That is another problem. Basically, when carbohydrates, in studies, when carbohydrates are cited as not the reason for obesity, the examples taken are always about the rice-eating populations. Obviously, there is obesity in the rice-eating populations, but markedly less than the wheat-eating populations. It is the green revolution that has doomed countries to basically diabetes.
was a good event, as we expected it to be. And this event is basically to talk about nutrition, the changing trends in nutrition, and to facilitate achievers in this field so that people feel motivated to do better year on year. And it was a great event. Everybody is happy, and the winners are happy, and the ones who have not won are also aspiring to win it in the coming few years. And the panel discussion was very good. It actually taught us that changing, the scenario keeps changing. जो आज applicable है वो कल को applicable नहीं होगा. So we have to change everything with the changing scenario. So the panel discussion was very, very good today, which gave us this whole knowledge कि जब चीज़ें बदलती हैं तो we have to change the whole thinking around it. So CIMS is an information company. We give information to doctors, pharmaceutical companies. We were traditionally into print, but now we are more into live media, events, digital media, and everything which helps to achieve the target of providing information to the doctors. इंडियन एजुकेशन और फॉरेन एजुकेशन के डिफरेंस के बारे में मैं बताती हूँ. डॉक्टरों की रहने देते, मैंने मेडिकल इंडिया में की थी और मैं बिजनेस एजुकेशन बाहर से करके आई हूँ. डिफरेंस इज़ huge. So one of the first things that comes to my mind since मैं अभी आई हूँ 1 घंटा पहले कि the teachers over there are not like इंडिया में जैसे रहता है कि स्टूडेंट टीचर इक्वेशन इज़ लाइक जो टीचर कह रहा है वही स्टूडेंट सोचे, ऐसा नहीं है. द फॉरेन एजुकेशन हेल्प्स यू थिंक. आप खुद से सोचें, खुद से अपना माइंड बनाएं, खुद से ओपिनियन बनाएं और फिर उसको परस्यू करें. कोई आपको ओपिनियन बना के आपके दिमाग में नहीं डालता है वहाँ पे. दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस. सो द टीचर इज़ ओनली फैसिलिटेटिंग द होल कॉन्सेप्ट कि आपका अपना ओपिनियन स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाए, आप खुद से ये डिसाइड कर पाएँ कि आपको क्या करना है.
And we have services pan India, and this is my first event which I have attended this, and this event basically encourages us and it motivates the young leaders in India to do something really big in future. And this fitness event which happened today, it's one of the best event I have come across. And the award which I received is the fastest growing online nutrition store in India. It's Vitamin Berry. Thank you for such an event, and it's really motivating, and thank you SIMS India.
तो यहाँ विनोद सर को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आया हूँ. मेरे ट्रेनर हैं, वो जॉन इब्राहिम सर के ट्रेनर हैं, अंबानीज़ के ट्रेनर हैं. तो मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ और मुझे वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. सिर्फ उनकी थॉट्स और उनकी जो प्रैक्टिस है मैं बिल्कुल फॉलो करता हूँ. और बस एक कंप्लेंट है, थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव है. बहुत लोगों को अवार्ड मिला है, उसके बारे में मैं आपसे ऑनेस्टली बोलूँगा, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. उनको अवार्ड मिला बेस्ट सेलिब्रिटी ट्रेनर. बाकी सब लोगों को मिला और सबको मिलना चाहिए जो भी डिजर्विंग होता है. आप लोगों के भी जब अवार्ड्स होते हैं तो आपको भी मिलना चाहिए. और जब मेरे भी अवार्ड्स होंगे इस साल बेस्ट डेब्यू में, मुझे भी मिलना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
बॉडी को फिट रखने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करते हैं?
मेहनत जितनी करना चाहता हूँ उससे ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है. आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू. क्योंकि आसानी से मैंने देखा है कि वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते हैं जो आपको चाहिए. तो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू, जो भी आपको एक चीज़ गोल चाहिए वो आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए एंड जस्ट कीप वर्किंग हार्ड टुवर्ड्स इट. अचीव हो जाता है अगर आप डिसिप्लिन से काम करें. विजय नाम्बियार सर के साथ मैंने एक एक्शन फिल्म साइन करी है. मैं और धनुष उसमें हीरो हैं, तो अगले साल शुरू. आप कुछ कह रहे थे? ओके. हाँ,
सप्लीमेंट कितना सपोर्ट करते हैं?
सप्लीमेंट सर, सप्लीमेंट मैं ज़्यादा विश्वास नहीं करता हूँ सप्लीमेंटिंग में. मैं थोड़ा बेसिक किस्म की डाइट फॉलो करता हूँ जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा, आज मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा यहाँ पे. प्यूफा, म्यूफा और बहुत सारी नए टर्म्स एक्चुअली जो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत जानता हूँ, और आज मुझे समझ आ गया बिल्कुल नहीं जानता हूँ. तो जितना पढ़ें उसके बारे में, जितना जाने उतना कम है. वो लोग अभी भी जान रहे हैं और अभी भी समझ रहे हैं, तो मैं तो हार मान लिया आज. सप्लीमेंटेशन मैं ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देता. बेसिक अच्छा खाना और अच्छी वर्कआउट और अच्छा रेस्ट ज़रूरी है. बोलिए सर, मुझे थोड़ी शर्म आ रही है कहने में कि मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा इससे. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं ये बोलूँ कि मुझे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा, लेकिन इतने सारे ब्लैक पैसे मैंने कमाए नहीं. सर फुल ऑन मोदी जी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ और मुझे लगता है उन्होंने मतलब वाकई में स्वच्छ भारत कर दिया है. और मुझे अब उनकी सारी बातें याद आ रही हैं जो बोल रहे थे कि अकाउंट खोलो, फिर वो बोल रहे थे कि ब्लैक मनी डिपॉजिट कर दो. अभी वो जो कुछ बोल रहे हैं मैं ज़्यादा सीरियसली ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि आगे जाके पता नहीं क्या होगा. थैंक यू.
I'm really feeling proud. You all guys invited me here, and coming here is really very big thing for me, and I learn a lot from here. And I come to know there is lot of supplement companies which is awarded here, and that's good company. I'll recommend that company in future all my clients. Thank you.
I'm Nibash Parikh from Expert Marketing GSK Consumer Healthcare, and it is really a prestigious award for us because at GSK we don't just believe in nutrition. It is about actually connecting with the fetus, because Mother's Horlicks is a product which is not just providing the nutrition, but it is also taking care of the micro and the macro nutrients for the patients and the fetus, especially from the second trimester, and it helps to the overall actually health of the child. And I'm proud to take this award on behalf of GSK. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Regarding your award,
Right, so hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rahul Joshi, I'm from Sanofi. At Sanofi we put patient and consumers at the center of everything what we do. Receiving the award for innovation in therapy leadership means a lot for the COQ group, because we help the male infertile couples and the male infertility basically to have their child and enjoy the joy of parenthood. I think we should also thank at this moment SIMS Medica for nutraceutical awards, because the convention therapy for other diseases and lifestyle diseases are strengthening, but we should also pay attention to the nutraceuticals, and it's a very good platform to support the noble cause and also emerge the talent out of the market and encourage healthy competition. Thank you. Thanks.
First of all, congratulations to CIMS, Monica, the MD of this company, for organizing this award function for Nutraceutical and Health Awards. Big congratulations to all the winners. और जो debate हुई है, जो every aspect of scientific research है, nutrition में, fitness में, I think this is a good platform सबको साथ आने के लिए और डिस्कस करने के लिए, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज शुड गो टू द कॉमन पीपल ऑल्सो, सो दे अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट हेल्थ, न्यूट्रिशन एंड फिटनेस. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations for getting your
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to for conducting such kind of award function. Especially, it would be a great moment for a marketing person to get recognized by the strategies. And for this, I must thank SIMS Medica India for conducting such kind of beautiful programs where we all are getting recognized as far as our work is concerned. And similarly, it helps us a lot to consider the things while formulating a strategies, how we can go ahead in the market where the nutraceutical has to be promoted as far as the health is concerned. Instead of going on medication, let them feel that yes, this is a market. This is not only about getting medications. It's all about nutraceutical as well. If you go by the steps to be followed as far as the exercise goes, nutraceutical products goes, it is definitely going to help your health. And similarly, there's so many things are there as far as the health is concerned. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Started?
Okay, sir.
So,
congratulations for getting an award, sir. Can you tell us about regarding your company related and how you get this award?
yeah, so Kinedex Healthcare has been on roll in the kind of products that they have launched, all very differentially and kinetically different products like Rosiflex, Meltocal, and every year we are launching the products which really make a difference to the patient community outside, and we hope to come soon from an emerging company to the best company in business as far as Kinedex Healthcare is concerned. So thank you so much for awarding us the emerging company of the year. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Similarly, we would like to contribute, as in Kinedex Healthcare, we focus much more on drug-free approach as far as the therapy is concerned, so that they will have some nutraceutical approach. They will not feel that they are taking medications, and they will be getting severe relief from one of the biggest disease, that is OA, arthritis, osteoarthritis, where one of our beautiful product Rosiflex's entire range is available for them, and that is how we are going ahead as far as the nutraceutical market is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you.
ये बहुत ही प्यारा कॉन्सेप्ट था, जहाँ पे सारे डॉक्टर्स को जो प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में हम लोग नहीं जानते हैं या फिर बहुत कम जानते हैं, उसके लिए भी इतना अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट इन्होंने रखा है, तो आई थिंक गुड जॉब.
आप कितने फिटनेस को इम्पोर्टेंट देते हैं?
और नीचे कर रहे पूरा मुंह पे जाएगा. मैं बहुत ही फिटनेस कॉन्शियस हूँ, आप मुझे देख सकते हो, बिल्कुल फिट ही रहना पसंद करती हूँ.
मैडम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Actually, everybody knows that doctor ward is a very important ward in our daily life. So I congratulate everyone for this award, and it's a very good steps. Everybody will know about health. Everybody will health conscious, and also it's very good. And yeah, it's I feel wow, nice. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Would you like me to talk on?
Sir, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Can you tell us about regarding your fitness mantra?
My fitness mantra has actually evolved over the years. It obviously used to be exercise, and it used to be exercise centric. So what I actually found after years and years in fitness is that despite more and more people working out, more and more of the fitness revolution happening, the fitness boom happening, the illness, the obesity, diabetes, metabolic disorders, they're all on the rise. And what I feel is that with this quantum leap in interest in working out and fitness, these metabolic disorders should be now lowering their rates. But what we are seeing is that the rate is increasing with quantum leaps. Somewhere we have to realize that something is going wrong. And what I found through my research is that the majority of the mistakes people make is in nutrition, becoming unfit, and we are finding more and more unfit people despite more and more people joining gyms. Despite more and more people jogging on the roads, is that the nutrition is wrong. And the problem with the Indian traditional diet is just that there is too much sugar in the diet, complete absence of protein, and instead of getting scared about carbohydrates, we are getting scared about fat. Fat was never the problem, it was carbohydrates and sugar that was the problem. That is what causes diabetes, that is the root cause of diabetes, and diabetes is the mother of all metabolic disorders. आप डायबिटीज़ की रेट को कम करो, obesity will automatically come in control, cardiovascular disease also will automatically come into control. Right now, our entire focus should be unearthing the truth about what is healthy to eat and what is not. There is major confusion here, and that is the reason I repeat again, more and more people working out, more and more people jogging on the roads, and yet more and more people fat, more and more people with illness and metabolic disorders. That is what I have to say.
Regarding if any people want to know regarding your fitness mantra, how they can connect with you? Can you tell us regarding?
Well, I have a subscription website called builtbykaizad.com. It is built BUILTBYKAIZZAD.com. And yes, it's a paid subscription, but that is where all their questions can be answered in detail. And we have about 300 plus instructional videos on almost anything that you want to know about fitness.
Thank you.
Thank you.